Why Zenzile EFF?
Is Zenzile EFF? No, I just saved him like that. Is Zenzile EFF?
I see.
But Sergeant, what I sometimes do, say I'm meeting somebody for the first time, and I'm not sure that I would remember their name down the line. What I will do is save the name, but also save something that will remind me of who they are. And when I search and I have indeed forgotten the name, I will search for what I used to remember the person. Surely, it must be because you were doing something similar. And what Mr. Shaskelson wants to know is why your something similar referred to the EFF.
Hey, no, I think Mr. Charleston is pushing me somewhere. I saved him Zenzile EFF because I once saw him wearing an EFF hat.
I see.
Is his full name Zenzile?
I think so, Commissioner. I know him as Z, but I know these Z's, they call him Zenzile.
Or some people call him Zenzile?
That's correct.
Okay.
For the record, perhaps we should spell Zenzile, because we've seen that the transcript usually misspells some names. Zenzile is Zenzile.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Shaskelson?
What nickname does he use to address you?
00.
00 or 007?
No. 00 or double.